All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Avantek sent me over one of their doorbells. And you're probably thinking, Jay, you already have a doorbell with a camera on it. Well, the reason I wanted to review this doorbell is because I have a very big house, and this is going to actually go inside my garage. A lot of times people get locked in my garage, you know, from the outside. Like there's extra latches on the inside, and this is another alternative way to get people to, I will know if someone's in the garage because we have remote access. And some of our young ones come over and open the garage with their phone, and then they're stuck in the garage if we're up in the movie room. So this is gonna go down inside the garage. Obviously this is a traditional doorbell, but you can, I'm finding an alternative method for it. I actually really needed this, so I agreed to review this. So this is the contents of the box right here. You get the actual chime right here. You can see the volume and the levels here. And it plugs right in. That's the good thing. This plugs into a power source, and this is battery operated. So that's really good. So you need to remove this little tab here. There's a little plastic tab there that you'll remove to get the power going to it. So pretty simple and straightforward. You just attach this to the double-sided tape and put the doorbell wherever you want it to go. And then you'll put this in a part of your house where you think you might need the chime. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up. Very straightforward and to the point, folks. I mean, it doesn't get any simpler than this. This is if you wanted to probably mount it up with screws. You could do that too, but I won't be mounting with screws. I'm just going to use the double-edged tape because it's just going in the garage area, and it should be okay with this double-edged tape. You do get a manual here to show you how to work the doorbell, and shows you get the battery, the transmitter, the plug-in receiver, adhesive tape, the key, the screws, the anchor, and the user's manual. So it tells you here what these are. So you've got the LED indicator up top there, and then you've got your volume buttons, your previous and next button, and LED push button on the actual remote. So we'll get this hooked up, man. This is like super quick to get going. So it says up to 3 years on the battery life, with 10 to 15 times a day. So if this is pressed about 10 to 15 times a day, you just go ahead and you'll get about 3 years out of this battery, and then you'll be able to, you'll need to replace that battery. So easy setup. It says press and hold the volume down button on the receiver for 3 seconds, and the LED will blink. Then you press the button on the transmitter to complete the pairing. And once you get these paired, you put the transmitter where you want it to be, and it should be good to go. So I'm gonna put this just kind of out in the open down there, and gonna see how this chime is right here. So let's get this all set up here, and it's really nice. I really needed this. You have no idea how many times I've gotten stuck in the garage and they're in the movie room, and they can't hear me and I have to call someone. Well, this should solve for that. All right, let's kick the rest of this video off. All right, guys, so the pairing process was super easy. I have the controller set right here in an area where it's kind of open to where it will go at least, it's a very loud chime, so let me press the button here. So that is a very loud chime, and it's super quiet in here most of the time down here, but I'm just testing it right here for you, but this is how it sounds. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mount up the controller where it's gonna go. Now I mounted it right here because there's a lock right on the other side of this door. So even if you have a key, you can't get in if those locks are on. And this happens so much, you guys have no idea. And so now a person will be prone to click that button right there. And let me see if you can hear it from out here. Yeah, I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it definitely is working. So there it is, man. I wanted to close out right here to show you that this is a good combination for me in this house, because plenty of people have gotten stuck in this garage and I didn't hear them and I was somewhere else in the house. So I appreciate Avantek sending this over. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care.